Hi there, Karen with Ages Beauty Pro here. And in this video, I am going to go over a frequently asked question, something that I get. I wrote about this in one of my email posts a little while ago. Especially now with all the craziness going on in the world, people's budgets are tight and, can't afford everything. I see all these great products. I see great devices. This is my issue. What do you suggest for me? Now, if somebody sends me a picture, then I can pretty much hone in right on what is going to work, what's not going to work. That's always very helpful. But in general, if I don't see somebody and they just write me an email asking this question, then I am going to cover a couple of different issues, and then you can hone in on what's going to work best for you. Because I often say, you do not need everything out there. They make all the stuff, but you really just need to find what works for your specific issues, what works for your budget, what really gives you results, and then lean into that stuff and forget all the other noise that's out there, because we can all get overwhelmed. And even with all the products that I have access to, I have my favorites. I have the ones that work consistently, and I do try new stuff all the time, and man, if it does not give results or does not show me what I need to see, forget it. I don't have time. I move on and I use what works, and I just wait for the next wonder product to come down the pike. So basically, I'm going to talk about two different issues. Now, one, it's like kind of the sinker sagger thing. One is going to be if you are finding that you're getting concave, you're getting some vertical lines, you're getting some crepiness, you're getting some issues with the density and the volume of your skin. It's diminishing. What we want to do is we generally want to maintain that V versus, there's all different face shapes, but you generally want a little more width in this area, tapering down. Now that's general. It's not every face shape, but generally. So if all of a sudden you're just kind of getting like one shape here, it's just kind of going down, there's no plumpness, no lift in the face, then you can sort of cheat and build a little bit of a cheekbone. You can get a little bit of volume built in this area. If you're getting very concave down here, you can add a little volume in this area as well, which is really nice these days, and you can do it without filler. You can do it in the comfort of your own home. Now, if you want to get a touch-up of filler after you do some of this stuff, you're going to find you need less, and you probably are going to go and get it less, I would suggest. Now, there are some things like Botox and things that help with, the expression lines and the movement that these products aren't going to do, but if you're looking for volume, these products are going to work for you. I find that my preference is just to build my own collagen and not go, because I used to get filler and, had good filler, bad filler, bruises, issues. It can be a problem. Now, if you get good filler, it can really help and make you feel good about yourself. But then there's all those other issues. Plus, it's pricey and it hurts. It's not something I love getting done. So I'm just saying, it's great to go get a little touch up after you get some of this stuff down the road, but you'll find you probably need it a little bit less. So quickly, concave, losing volume, need to redensify, replumpify, is that a word? No. Plump your skin. That's going to be the Sculptra line. The Sculptra Cavi line, the Promoter Repair Cream, the PLLA mask, the in-office professional Sculptra mask, fantastic for really redensifying, filling in lines, building collagen, fantastic. These are all fantastic products for that. So if you find your skin is looking thin, translucent, transparent, it's getting those vertical lines, you're losing volume anywhere, the Sculpla, especially the Cavi PLLA, the oxygenation with the foam, with the H2 mist, fantastic products. Great, they're very popular for a reason. They work, they give results. Results you can see, not results in 30 days that if you squint in the mirror you think you see it. Results you can see, and quickly, which is really why I think it's so popular and why people love it so much, because it does work. Now, if you've got a different issue and you've got, and I talk about this in my CREPEY skin video a little bit, but I'm just going to cover this. If you've got sunspots, deep sun damage, lines, deep lines, we're talking crevices here, not just fine little lines, but crevices that are forming. You've got really glycated skin. The first thing you need to do if you've got glycated skin is exfoliate. And I do not mean a little scrub that you bought at the drugstore. I mean a good chemical or physical exfoliation, something that really gets that layer of skin off. And you may need to do a series of 6 of them before you start to really even see results if you're seriously glycated. So, I mean, after you do a couple, you'll see results, but you need to continue those. Don't think the party's over on that. You've got to continue doing it to continue to remove that top layer of skin that's gotten piled upon, and to reveal that new skin so these products can then penetrate and work their best. So back to the second type. The first is redensifying and plumping with the Sculpla products. The Neogenesis products are excellent for repairing your skin. If you have the deep sun damage, the deep crevices, the really crepiness that's forming, you know, the Neogenesis Recovery is an amazing product. These are not inexpensive products. These are not something you can find at, you know, the local Walgreens or something, but they work. They really do work. Again, exfoliate first, then introduce these into your arsenal. So those are the 2 types of issues that I see mostly. It's just lack of volume completely, where we need to redensify certain areas of the skin. And you may find that you have a lot of plumpness in your skin and you really don't feel like you need to add any more plumpness, but you need to sort of move it around and restructure your face a bit. And that's where the devices come into play. The devices like the Trimester Pro, which is going to help you really plump up this, and in the temples and around the mouth, the lips. This is going to help give you that plumpness up here. And then if you've got the Mini, an excellent, excellent little microcurrent tool where the little probes, you can really get in there under the muscles and lift those up, lift the corners of the mouth, and do all types of things. You can work on your eyes, lifting those. These are tools that I have other videos on, so I won't spend a lot of time with that. But if you find you've got that, but you just need to, you know, lift everything up, those are great tools for that. Redensifying, regenerating, repairing is going to be more of the Neogenesis products. So going over that, if you just need, you know, to buy one thing and you can't afford everything, then that is what I'd suggest. I'd say plumping, lifting, probably the Sculpla and either the Trimester Pro and or the Mini, and regenerating your skin is going to be the Neogenesis products. Okay, so combined with exfoliation. Okay, so if you would like to try any of these products and get an instant discount, you can go to Ageless Beauty Pro. That's my site. You can sign up, subscribe there for free, and get some instant discounts. Just confirm your email and you get a good welcome first customer discount. And then every week you'll get an e-zine from me that has a lot more goodies and tips and deals and goodies and freebies in it every week. So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like this video. I really would appreciate it, and let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks.